Before we start anything, let's think about how we can solve this question. This is a definite integral with lower limit minus pi over 6 and upper limit plus pi over 6. If we get the answer of this integral as capital I, using the equation integral a to b fx function equals integral a to b f a plus b minus x function, we can rewrite the value of capital I again. Then we can simplify function fa minus x and add both first capital I and this capital I value. Then easily we can simplify the function of the result of addition. Clear? Let's jump into the question. Let's consider the final answer of integral minus pi over 6 to pi over 6 cos x over 1 plus 2 to the power of x as capital I. Then we need to find this value of capital I. Take this one as equation number 1. We know integral a to b function fx equals integral a to b function a plus b minus x. Using this equation, we can rewrite the value of capital I as integral minus pi over 6 to pi over 6 in the numerator cos pi over 6 plus minus pi over 6 minus x over 1 plus 2 to the power of pi over 6 plus minus pi over 6 minus x. In this case, simple a value equals minus pi over 6. Simple b value equals plus pi over 6. We can cancel out pi over 6 value for minus pi over 6 value. Then we have in the numerator cos minus x, in the denominator 1 plus 2 to the power of minus 6. Cos minus theta value equals cos theta. So cos minus x value we can write as cos 6. In the denominator 1 plus 2 to the power of minus x value we can write as 1 over 2 to the power of x. Then we can consider a common denominator in the denominator. It is 2 to the power of x. Denominator of the denominator value we can write as numerator. Then we have integral 2 to the power of x cos x over 2 to the power of x plus 1. Let's consider this one as equation number 2. Now we can add both equation number 1 and equation number 2. In the left hand side we can write I plus I. In the right hand side integral cos x over 1 plus 2 to the power of x plus integral 2 to the power of x times cos x over 2 to the power of x plus 1. We can consider a common integral sign. After that we can get common denominator as 1 plus 2 to the power of x. In the numerator we can get cos x as a common factor. Then within bracket 1 plus 2 to the power of x. We can cancel out numerator value 1 plus 2 to the power of x for denominator value 1 plus 2 to the power of x. Then we have integral cos x. Integral cos x equals sin x. Finally, we need to substitute upper limit and lower limit for this answer. First one, upper limit pi over 6 minus sin. Second one, lower limit minus pi over 6. Sin minus pi over 6 equals minus sin pi over 6. Then we have 2i equals sin pi over 6 plus sin pi over 6. Sin pi over 6 means sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree equals half. Then we can write 2i equals half plus half. Half plus half equals 1. So 2i equal to 1. Then I equals 1 over 2.